Today is Friday, June 6th, 2025, and it is Puppy Chaos. Yes. So, Peppa's puppies are 8 weeks old today, so 2 of them have gone home. We've got 4 of hers left, and 3 more puppies go home this weekend. Alright, can you guys sit still long enough so I can introduce you? Huh? Yeah? Let's see, the little one, it's my finger in her mouth. That's Gidget's Fig. And this big boy here is Moses. Moses, you gonna go out? Then we got Edmund. Hi, Edmund. And our pink collar girl there. And this is Betty Boop with the orange collar. Boop, boop, boop. And who else? Oh, there goes Moses. And it looks like Junie's over there next to the door. No. That's our big boy. That's Honey's big boy. It's Junie. Hello. This is Delilah with her little white toes. Yes. This is Red. Gidget's Red. Are you getting tired? Big boy. Yeah. Hi, Pink. Hey, pretty girl. Hi. Hi, Yoli. This is Yoli. With her one white paw. Yeah. So Yoli and Pink and Moses are all going home tomorrow. You guys are so excited. Yeah. So they've been going in and out their puppy door, playing in the grass. And they come inside, have nap time. You guys are so smart. So smart. Yes, you are, Fig. Hi. Hello, Yoli. I see you. Hi, Junie. Oh my goodness. Edmund. Puppy socialization. Who's the bigger dog? Moses, you gonna get on this? Huh? He's like, I'm not getting in between them. Huh. Huh. Hey, Junie. Hey, Bitty Boop. Alright. So, we'll get this update on Sunday, and they'll be 7 weeks old. And then we'll do Honey's on Monday, and they'll be 8 weeks old. Yes. And there will be less and less in each video as everyone goes home. Huh. Isn't that right? Alright. Hope everyone's having a good day, and we'll see you later. Okay, bye guys.